darlings, for today's video, I'll be creating 3 quick and easy neon festival looks. For the first look, I'm starting off by dipping into the green neon pigment from the MYO Makeup stack and packing this onto the front part of the crease. Next, I'm drawing on the outline of a thick winged liner using the Ardell Headliner Liquid Eyeliner. Now I'm cleaning that liner up with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Fair Beige so that all of my lines are sharp. I'm also applying it inside of the outline of the liner in order to create a blank space, and then I'm fixing my lines with more of the liquid liner. Next, I'm filling in the outer half of the wing with the purple shade from the NYX Off Tropic palette and fading it out onto the blank area. For my inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm using the Sleek Makeup Solstice highlighting palette. Now for lashes, I'm first applying the Ardell Precision Mascara using the top wand, and then I'm popping on the Remy lashes in the style 778, which I'll be using for all 3 looks. Then I'm applying the Touch in Soul Style Black Gel Liner to my upper waterline and applying mascara to my lower lashes using the bottom wand from the Precision Mascara. Finally, for lips, I'm applying the Pop Beauty Permanent Pout Liquid Lipstick in OMG Violet, and that completes the first look. For the second look, I'm starting off by dipping into the NYX Off Tropic palette. I'm first applying the purple shade to the outer part of the eye, then I'm adding some of the blue, creating a unique shade. Next, I'm applying the peach shade to the center of the lid. Then I'm applying the yellow shade to the inner part of the lid. I'm sweeping each shade a little bit on top of the previous in order to blend them together. I'm then repeating the steps for the lower lash line. For my inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm using the Sleek Makeup Solstice highlighting palette. Now for liner, I'm using the Mehron Paradise AQ palette in the shade White, which is a water activated paint. I'm using the MAC Fix Plus to activate it and drawing a large wing-like shape that goes through the crease. Now I'm applying that to the waterline using the Sigma Beauty E05 brush. For mascara, I'm once again using the Ardell Precision Mascara, which is dual-ended with top and bottom wands. Then I'm applying the Ardell Remy lashes in the style 778, tight lining with the Touch in Soul Style Black Gel Liner, and adding mascara to my lower lashes. For lips, I'm applying the Pop Beauty Permanent Pout Liquid Lipstick in Plump Peach, and that completes the second look. For the third look, I'm starting off by applying these 2 pink shades from the NYX Off Tropic palette. I'm sweeping my brush out from the outer corner of the eye to create a wing, and then applying those 2 shades to the lower lash line. I'm also adding them to the inner part of the eye, sweeping my brush through the front part of the brow. Now I'm drawing on some winged liner using the neon green pigment from the MYO Makeup stack. I turned it into the consistency of a liner by wetting it with Fix Plus. Once I have the shape down, I'm just going back and forth over the line with more of the pigment until I'm happy with the vibrancy. For lashes, I'm applying the Ardell Precision Mascara and Remy Falsies in the style 778. For my upper waterline, I'm applying the Touch and Soul Style Black Gel Liner, and for my lower waterline, I'm applying the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Electric Daisy. Then, I'm applying mascara to my lower lashes, highlighting my inner corner with the Sleek Makeup Solstice Highlighting Palette, and finishing up the look with the Pop Beauty Permanent Pout Liquid Lipstick in the shade Power Pink. And that completes these 3 festival looks. Let me know in the comments below which out of the 3 looks is your favorite, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!